It's Friday again, and the weekend is lying ahead. Welcome to Websites for Beginners with JP. And continuing our series on the Element Pack add-on by bdthemes for both the free and pro versions of Elementor, I'm still looking at the gems that are hidden within inside this package, because for many packages, you're just going to get the normal add-ons and widgets, but with this Element Pack Pro from bdthemes, you get a theme, plus you get custom post types. What am I talking about? Let's again just look at the downloaded folder. When you've unzipped it, you're going to notice this little one over here that's called Extras. If you click on it, you will see, first of all, the theme called Routine, and we have discussed that in another video. But you will also see 3 other folders. First of all, you have your frequently asked questions, FAQ, then you have portfolio, and then you have testimonials. Now here comes the thing. You may be telling me, JP, but I have things that can do that. Why do I want to use these custom post types? Let's first go into Elementor, where I've already installed them. So you can see over here is the FAQ, here's the portfolio, and here's the testimonials. I'm going to show you first how do they look, and then secondly, I'm going to tell you why it is important, why you would prefer using these when you are using the Element Pack add-on by bdthemes. So the FAQ, let's just say add new item, and it's very standard to its core. A very standard FAQ, show FAQ icon over here, yes, no, you have an excerpt, and then over here probably your question, your answer. Okay, then if you go to portfolio, let's see what you're going to add to your portfolio. And again, you're going to see it's very minimal, not much in there. You're going to have your topic, you're going to have maybe an image or something with your featured image over here and an excerpt. And then testimonials, going to say add new. Let's see what you're going to be adding to your testimonials. Well, you're going to have additional information, your company name, and then a rating for this. Now, you again was probably still thinking, JP, I can get things with far more functionality. But you see, here comes the thing. bdthemes have developed specific widget add-ons for Elementor that draws the information from these 3 custom post types. So if we were to look on their website and you go to where all the elements are, you will see under here post widget, you will see there's a widget for FAQ. Even this carousel one draws the information from, I think, the portfolio. So that is most of these, except the WooCommerce ones over there and the post, draw that, like the testimonial, carousel, slider, all of this draw that dynamic content from those post types that I've just shown you. And that is why you should not overlook these 3, because if you do, you're using or you're losing a lot of functionality for many of these widgets. And you've probably before used one of these widgets and thought, how do they work? They don't seem to work. It's because you need to pair them with these other custom post types and plugins that come within the folder from bdthemes. I show you this first now because in the upcoming videos in the future, we will be looking at these widgets, and then you will understand where I'm getting that data from. So again, there's a lot of surprises within this download pack from Element Pack Pro by bdthemes. And if you want to learn more about all their widgets and everything, well, look at the other videos on this channel. Also follow the link in the description below.